Yeah, well, of course, I'm a fan of chickens.
You do have
The beauty
chickens?
the beauty of meat chickens is that's an 8 week 8 week turnaround. Now you might not want to do them in the middle of your summer because it's so hot,
Okay.
but on the on the shoulders of the season, you can certainly do some. Now, one of the problems there, and we run them in these little floorless field shelters. And one of the issues there with the pigs is the pigs are going to tear up ground, so that makes it a little bit problematic for the broilers. You might have to do a little bit of ground smoothing with some sort of a basic drag of some sort. Even if it's a couple logs, logs that you pull, behind a pickup or a tractor, to
Gotcha.
try to smooth things out. Some sort of just a simple spring tooth harrow. I wouldn't use a disc. A disc would be too hard, too much disturbance. But something like a just a spring tooth harrow, light to just take the divots out so you could run the chickens across. That would be fantastic. And you could run the chickens on all the same acreage you're running the pigs on. So if you can run
Gotcha.
pigs on 15 acres, you could run chickens on 15 acres as well. And at 600 chickens per acre, that'd be 9,000 chickens. That would gross in about $180,000.
Okay.
With a at a 30% margin is going to give you 54,000 to your overheads.
Gotcha.
And that would not diminish the pork at all. That's
Right.
just simply adding another whole stackable enterprise.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.